Y'all, my car is reading 14 degrees. Y'all know it's cold outside when you come outside with the beanie, the scarf, and the gloves. It is that cold outside. I couldn't open up my car door, right? So I like threw some hot water on it. Well, you see what it did. It froze it. So anyways, it's 7:13. We have a 2-hour delay today, which means I have to go into work at 9:30. But with Cam getting on the bus at like 9:45 or whatever, I probably will just go in early and then take him back to the bus stop and then come back and get through the day. Anyways, I'm going home to make me a cup of coffee and some breakfast. All right, y'all, so I am up and out and heading to Domino's. So I am not really feeling the best. For some reason, I just feel like it's like something is just not clicking in my brain right now. And I feel just like very down. I feel very like just out of it. I don't know like if us having Monday off and then the snow day Tuesday and then the half a day today like, you know, got to me or whatever, but it's something because I just don't feel like me. And I haven't, you know, haven't wanted to like vlog or anything today. I just don't see it. So I guess I'm going up the street to get Domino's that I placed an order for really quickly. Alright, y'all, so I got 2 cheese, matter of fact, it might be 4 cheese pizzas, or no, 3 cheese pizzas, and then, oh Jesus, one of them is a bacon, one of them might have bacon on it, so Charles could take some to work tomorrow. And then I also got my free Parmesan bites. Lord, y'all, the video just done went out on me. But anyways, I got my free Parmesan bites, and then I also picked up the brownie cookie and the crunch lava cakes. And then I also got Chuck his cheese with his little bread things, and I got the cheese dip for mine. So I tried to use my coupon. She was like, oh, you can use it, but it just wasn't what I wanted to do. But it's all good. All good. Hey y'all, and welcome to today. Y'all, I am just not feeling it. I am not feeling it. It's just like I feel like it's right here. I literally have been putting Vaseline right here because this is where it burns at, and I'm barely using like tissue or anything. I just also feel just not myself. But anyways, we got pizza yesterday, right? So I'm gonna reheat up the pizza for me and the kids and Chuck today. But I found this recipe on Pinterest that I'm gonna show you guys. And I want to try it. It's called creamy spaghetti, but then again it's called like old style spaghetti or something. So I'm gonna try that, and that's gonna be like the side of the pizza. So it looks like I only need like a couple ingredients, So first, it looks like what I really need to do is boil the noodles and then make the pasta sauce. Can't wait. While I have the noodles going, I'm just going to show you guys what I'm using. So I am using basically the rest of my mozzarella cheese, because you will need you'll need half a cup of the mozzarella cheese. You'll need a cream cheese. I have a cream cheese bar, 2 tablespoons of butter. You'll also need 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, as well as some tomato paste. The spaghetti noodles itself, I have the pot size one, so I can just throw it in. Parsley flakes, crushed red pepper, and salt. So I'm gonna let that heat up, and then I'm gonna spend another couple minutes just letting it boil. From there, that's when I'm gonna show you guys how to actually make the creamy part. Because when I seen this recipe, I was like, okay. But you know what? I'm always in for trying something new. And this is what's going to be new for us tonight. Hopefully, it makes a lot. Hopefully, we'll see how much it feeds. But anyways, from there, let's let this heat up and come to a boil, and then add our noodles in. And I'll get back with you guys once the noodles are done. Alright y'all, so the noodles are done. I'm going to move them to this back eye because I need some of that pasta water as well as the actual noodles. So with that being said, get you a new pan, and I'm going to cut that down. And I'm going to put my 2 tablespoons of butter in here. Alright, 2 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead and let that melt. Do what it do. Let me get ready to add in the minced garlic. So 3 teaspoons of that. Alright, so there's my 3 teaspoons of the garlic, minced garlic that is. I'm going to fry this for just about 1 minute, and then I'm coming in with that 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, and then I'm also coming in with 1 teaspoon of salt, chili flakes, and parsley, and then the cream cheese. Alright, so there's the 1 teaspoon of the tomato paste. Go ahead and give that a good roll around here. Then I'm coming in with the 1 teaspoon of all of the things that I said. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in the cream cheese. Alright, this is the part where you save half of that cup of the pasta water and you put it in here. I'm still going to go in and keep giving this a stir so that it doesn't stick to the pan, and try to get that cream cheese to come to a full melt. And then I'm going to add in the spaghetti and add some that grated mozzarella cheese. So once I can fully get this down to a melt, I will then toss in the spaghetti noodles. So this is what it looks like when it is all fully melted. I have just continued to stir it up, make sure that it's fully melted in all areas so that it gets fully melted. Anyways, I have the pasta draining. I'm going to get ready to add that in and see exactly how much I can add in to my small pan here. But it does smell amazing, I can tell you that. Alright, pasta is drained. I'm going to add in some first and then kind of give it a stir to see what I'm working with. So this is what it is supposed to look like, and all you do is add on that cheese on top. I'm going to see if I can add maybe one more spoonful, and then I'll go in with the cheese. Alright, so I was able to add all of it in. I'm going to go in with the mozzarella cheese on top, and then I'm going to go ahead and heat the oven up to get the pizza nice and toasty, and then like I said, this will just be served on the side with our leftover Domino's pizza from last night. Alright, so I'm also making some cake mix cookies. All you need is 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, and add in some chocolate chips.